In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name a page on Looker Studio with a simple step-by-step guide. Whether you're updating reports or creating new dashboards, giving your pages clear and meaningful titles is essential for effective navigation and communication. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to visit the Looker Studio website. Just open up your preferred web browser and type in Looker Studio. Once the site loads, you'll see an option that says use it for free. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to log in. If you're not already signed in, be sure to have your login credentials handy to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. From there, look towards the top to find the recent section. Clicking on this will show you a list of your recently accessed reports. Browse through this list to find the specific report where you want to rename a page. If it's not immediately visible, you can always use the search bar to locate it faster. After identifying the report you'd like to work on, click on it to open it up. This will direct you into the report, displaying its current pages and content. Now it's time to move into edit mode. To do this, locate the edit button. It's generally found near the top corner. Clicking on it will unlock the editing features of Looker Studio. With editing enabled, bring your attention to the top menu where you'll see an option labeled Page. Click on it and it will reveal several additional commands. Here, you should see Manage Pages. Select this to bring up an overview of all the pages within your report. Now you'll need to identify the specific page you want to rename. Once you found it, point to the three dots located next to that page. This is often referred to as the More Options menu. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Rename. A text box will appear, allowing you to type in a new name for your page. Take this opportunity to think about the page's contents or purpose to ensure the name is both descriptive and informative. Once you're satisfied with the new name, confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully renamed a page in Looker Studio. Having organized, descriptive titles ensures smoother navigation and better communication within your reports. Thank you for sticking around, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Have a great day.